In this video, I'll show you how to set the RSI indicator in TradingView. It's one of the most popular tools for spotting overbought or oversold conditions. Let's jump right in. Open TradingView in your browser and pick any chart you want to work with, like a stock, crypto, or Forex pair. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of icons. Click on Indicators. It looks like a line chart icon. Type RSI into the search bar. The default setting is usually 14, which works well for most traders. Just click on Relative Strength Index to add it to your chart. Now look at the bottom panel. You'll see RSI plotted there with levels at 30 and 70 by default. These help you spot when an asset might be oversold or overbought. If you want to change the settings, like adjusting the time period or levels, just click the gear icon next to RSI in the list and tweak them to fit your strategy. That's all. You now have the RSI indicator up and running. Quick tip, use RSI with other indicators like moving averages or volume to get better signals. It makes your trading decisions stronger. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick TradingView tips. See you next time.